How can you make a Add Yours template on Instagram? Welcome back to another quick Instagram video where I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these awesome Add Yours templates, which anyone can use. Now, these templates are incredibly powerful because once you post one, your followers can interact with it, share their own version, and it spreads to their followers too. So let's start by opening the Instagram app and then swipe to open the story camera and then take a photo of anything as your background. It really doesn't matter what it is. I'll just put my phone down and take a photo because I want this black background. But this won't matter because when we create the template, other people will only be able to see the Add Yours section without the background. So now let's tap on the little sticker option at the right side, and you'll have these options pop up over the screen. Here is the Add Yours button, so let's tap on it, and then you can add the text for your template. This can be anything that comes to your mind, and I'll add something like your 2026 goal in one word. You can add something like your happy place, your comfort food, or anything you like, and people can use that template and take a photo of whatever the template is talking about. If you don't want this to be white but want a different color for it, simply use the color picker tool and select a color from your photo background. Now I can share this template to my Instagram story, and when my followers see it, they can tap on the Add Yours sticker to add their own response. They'll take a photo or choose one from their gallery, and when they share it, their followers can do the same thing. This creates a chain reaction where your template spreads to more and more people. To see how many people used your template, just tap on the Add Yours sticker on your story, and you'll see everyone who participated. The more fun and relatable your prompt is, the more people will use it.